students, welcome to my talk on Lamb-Rush chromosomes. I am Dr. Geeta Samak, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, DVS College of Arts and Science, Shimoga. What are Lamb-Rush chromosomes? Before going to this topic, please see this cartoon. A couple busy in shopping before the announcement of lockdown in the city. Look at this mad rush of collecting essentials. You may wonder how this cartoon relates to Lamb-Rush chromosomes. Well, you will get the answer at the end of this presentation. What are Lamb-Rush chromosomes? Lamb-Rush chromosomes are giant chromosomes. Look at the phase contrast and fluorescent micrographs of Lamb-Rush chromosomes of amphibian immature oocytes. They are about 1 millimeter long in size, almost 30 times larger than mitotic chromosomes. Where do you find Lamb-Rush chromosomes? That is occurrence. Lamb-Rush chromosomes are the largest chromosomes found in the yolk-rich oocytes of vertebrates such as fishes, amphibians, reptiles and birds. They are also found in oocytes of some invertebrates. These are giant chromosomes and can be seen with naked eye. They are identified by their fine lateral loops. What is the history of these Lamb-Rush chromosomes? They were first discovered by Fleming in 1882 in sections of Salamander, Ambystoma mexicanum oocytes. In 1892, Rucker studied these chromosomes in shark oocytes and named Lamb-Rush due to its similarity to the test tube cleaning brush. When do you find Lamb-Rush chromosomes? Lamb-Rush chromosomes are found during oogenesis of most of the vertebrates and also some invertebrates. Lamb-Rush chromosomes appears during diploid stage of first meiotic cell division. Here, homologous pair, that is chromosome of maternal and paternal origin, occur in pair or in bivalent. They held at many points called chiasmata. Let us understand the structure of Lamb-Rush chromosomes. In Lamb-Rush chromosome, along the length of chromatids, striking lateral loops are present. There are about 10,000 loops per chromatid. Presence of these loops enhances the size of chromatin into a giant chromosome. Symmetrical loops found on either side of chromomere. Loops are absent in the centromeric region of the chromosomes. The main axis of each homologous is formed by sister chromatids that are differentiated into the regions of transcriptionally active loops. These are transcriptionally active loops. They form about 5 to 10% of the chromosome, and rest of the region they are tightly coiled into inactive heterochromatin. What is the fine structure of Lamb-Rush loops? Chromatin loop consists single DNA molecule unfolded for the synthesis of RNA. Electron micrograph of loop has shown that RNA polymerase enzymes are attached to DNA axis of the loop from which RNA fibrils extended. Hence, this matrix of mRNA, ribosomal subunits and RNA binding proteins are found all along the loop axis. Each loop of Lamb-Rush chromosome is involved in intense RNA synthesis. As meiosis progresses, these loops gradually decrease in their number. Autoradiographs of loops incubated with radioactive cytidine and uridine, these are the precursors of RNA bases, confirm the active synthesis of RNA in looped out DNA of Lamb-Rush chromosomes. What are the significances of these Lamb-Rush chromosomes? Once again, I remind you that cartoon, similar to mad rush of buying the things before lockdown, here also large scale production of RNA during oogenesis, as there is no scope for RNA synthesis during early developmental stages. Hence, Lamb-Rush chromosomes serve number 1, synthesis of RNA. Lateral loop indicates the stage of gene amplification or the stage of enhanced mRNA synthesis and protein expression. These mRNA and proteins are stored in the form of informosomes, which are used later for cell structure formation during early cleavage and embryogenesis. Another main function of Lamb-Rush chromosome is formation of yolk material. Lamb-Rush chromosomes help in the formation of certain amount of yolk material. Developmental processes after fertilization occurs very rapidly. Nourishment for the developing blastomeres derived from these yolk. Another important significance of Lamb-Rush chromosome is these are the visual evidences for gene expression and gene amplification. Gene amplification is required during growth phase of oocytes. Hence, Lamb-Rush chromosome preparation is very helpful for chromosome mapping and to study the factors associated with the transcription processes. This Lamb-Rush chromosome formation assumes normal morphology after prolonged diplotin stage of oocytes. Thanks for watching.